So today we have started from Diskit and going towards Pangong Lake. The roads are somewhat okay. We are going alongside Shok River. You can see down there Shok River. There's not much water, but so from Diskit to Pangong, the distance should be around 170 kilometers. Not even that much. I think it's from Hunter to Pangong. So it's 150 plus around from Diskit to Pangong. Yeah. So it will take around 6 to 7 hours. You can see the roads are very narrow and there are some rock slides, and look at this valley. It's a big rocky valley, huge. It's very windy. I'm not sure whether you will be able to hear me or not, but the wind is quite high. You can see the dust, the sand. Oh, dairy. Sand is flying. So look at this place. This valley is on the way from Diskit to Pangong. We are going alongside, again we are still going alongside River Shok. I think we'll keep on moving alongside that river for now. So far the road is good, but in between there are some rocky patches, which is sometimes of course a bit dangerous to ride on. It's not that dangerous if you are not loaded that much, but if you're loaded then it is a bit dangerous. It's difficult to go over the round rocks, you know. But look at this place, man. You know, a camera cannot justify the beauty of this place. It is difficult to build roads here. So I was talking about, look at that river. Wow, wow. Just awesome, man. Just awesome. If you want to know why we come here on a bike, it's because of this view, this beauty. You know, wow, man. Oh, wow. I can't explain, you know, I can't explain. The more I try, I think I will not justify. Yeah, I will not be able to justify the beauty of this place, of this river. This is all natural. The road which has been built is artificial. Other than that, everything here is untouched. So देखिए, इतने दूर इतने टाइम बाद एक कार आई है सामने, वो भी हरियाणा की है. नहीं तो पिछले 10 किलोमीटर से कोई सामने से नहीं आया है. सो दिस प्लेस इज़ डिस्टेंट प्लेस। यहाँ पर आपको अगर आप फंस गए तो हो सकता है काफ़ी देर तक फंसे ही रहें, क्योंकि नेटवर्क यहाँ है नहीं। तो नेटवर्क ना होने के कारण आप यहाँ किसी को बुला तो नहीं सकते, है ना। सो अगर फर्स्ट टाइम आप आ रहे हैं तो कोशिश कीजिए कि ग्रुप में ही आएँ, किसी के साथ आएँ और साथ साथ चलें। जैसे मेरे पीछे कुछ लोग हैं, मेरे आगे कुछ लोग हैं। अगर मैं यहाँ फंस जाता हूँ या कोई भी उनमें से फंस जाता है तो हम हैं एक दूसरे की हेल्प करने। बट अगर आप अकेले आते हैं तो हेल्प तो फिर भी मिल जाएगी थोड़े टाइम में, बट आपको शायद थोड़ा इंतज़ार करना पड़े और थोड़ा आप डिसअपॉइंट भी हो जाएं। तो देखिए मेरे दोस्त ये फ़ोटो खींच रहे हैं। सो देखिए, वी हैव जस्ट क्रॉस शोक विलेज and look at the mountains. Now they become even higher. They're rocky mountains with no vegetation and they're very deep. I can't even see what is down under. So could be possibly Shok River going through, but I'm not sure about that. But the terrain has totally changed from what we started from the diskit. This is a little high pass. I don't know the name, but we are going towards Durbuk, which is around 12 kilometers from here. So now three riders from our group are going down under this hill. It's a little risky because it's really high. And quite steep. If somebody has to climb from this place, then that person needs lots of horsepower. बहुत ही सुंदर जगह। ऊपर देखो, ऊपर पहाड़ों पे पानी है, देख रहे हैं, गीले पहाड़ हैं। Look at that now. There is river flowing down. Now look at this, man. Beauty. There is this water coming from here. Wow, look at this, man. Beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. I can't explain the beauty. You have to come here to see this. Okay. Look at this valley now. Now we are in a valley again. On right side there are sand mountains. It looks like somebody has put sand. And on the left side you can see snow on the tip of the mountain. Also on the right side there is a mountain filled with snow. And you can see we're going through this valley. So हम पहुंच गए हैं तुर्बुक। So हम यहाँ पर रुकेंगे छोटे से ब्रेक के लिए। तो यहाँ पर ही एक ब्लॉगर का कुछ ख़राब हो गया था. So you can see there are lots of restaurants. This is a quite famous village, Himalayan restaurant. So अब हम दुर्बुक से निकल गए हैं और अब पैंगोंग की तरफ जा रहे हैं. पैंगोंग यहाँ से कोई 1 घंटे का रास्ता है, अराउंड 55 किलोमीटर्स. ट्रेन हार्ड, फाइट इजी. सो हम पैंगोंग के रास्ते पर चल दिए हैं. मैंने गलत रास्ता ले लिया था. But then I came back after realizing that I came on the wrong way. So this is the correct road going towards Pangong. Possibly I'm the last person now. So ये रास्ता जा रहा है. पहले रहेगा लुकुंग, 27 किलोमीटर. क्या अच्छा रास्ता है यार. ग्रीनरी भी है थोड़ी थोड़ी यहाँ पर. So but it is, oh, I thought so that there is a, ये देखिए सामने पिक्चर परफेक्ट व्यू. बहुत ही बढ़िया, बेहतरीन, सुंदर. It's agricultural land. Look at this, man. Wow. Fantasy. This is a fantasy land, man. Wow. Look at that rock in the center, you know. In all land you have this rock here. Very good. I can't explain this, you know. Words are not enough to explain. दूर दूर तक जहाँ तक नज़र जाती है. It's a big valley. And remind you, this is not plain. We are on mountain. We are easily more than 10,000 feet, because Pangong is 14,000 feet. So I'm not sure how much above sea level we are, but definitely, can you imagine above sea level this high, such valleys? Just awesome. So it's getting cold now. I'm feeling the cold in my fingers, because I'm getting the cold breeze from the front in my forearm and fingers. So we are about to reach Lukung, which is 1 kilometer from here. 1 kilometer. So that is the first view of Pangong River, Pangong Lake, sorry, not river. So that is the first view of the Pangong I have to go from there and there and there down to that lake and look at the mountain range. It's so awesome. What a beauty, man, what a beauty. Can you imagine? The whole land is barren, rocky, and there is a lake there. You know, what nature does, nobody can. Just awesome. There you go. At any moment we will be look at on the left. Look, oh man, look at that. Look at that blue water. I was here in 2012. So look at that, those mountains. Wow, man. After covering so much of distance, when you get to see such a beauty, you know, all of your tiredness goes away. जितनी भी आपको थकान हुई है यहाँ आने में, इस पानी को देख के, इस नीले पानी को देख के ख़त्म हो जाती है। जब मैं फर्स्ट टाइम यहाँ पर आया था तो 2012 में, तो क्लाउडी था, काफ़ी रेनी था, तो मुझे to the Mon village camp. Look at that, man. I don't want to go away from this place, man. Look at this. Look at the water. How calm the water is. So camp. When I came here first, oh man, wow, that's awesome, man. There's no other lake that big. Look it, man. And this is not, that's not it. There is the lake beyond that mountain also. So oh, this is the best lake